Hello, welcome to my channel. Yeah, from the beginning, I would like to introduce the plastic sleeve boxes with you. For the plastic sleeve boxes, you can say this is the box, the sleeve, and that is our pallets and leads here. And it's also easy to open and close and fold the boxes up and down. So for the boxes, we also have different customized size and color. Also, we can make the sleeve with the window like this. This sleeve is with window. You can see over there is 1 and 2 windows over from at the side of the sleeve. It's easily to pull the things out in and out. And we also can print the logos over here or there as the customer's requirements. And you can see I just stand on the leads and the pallets. It's definitely no any problems to carry me. Yeah. So that means our plastic lid and the bottom pallets have a heavy duty loading capacity. So you don't worry about our plastic sleeves boxes quality. You can trust me also, and you can trust our products. Yeah, you can say it's very, very heavy, right? It's no problem to carry. We also have a different sleeve. Like this. This is the lid. We usually can put the sleeve on the lid on the bottom and put the lid up. Here you can see we put the sleeve on the bottom lid pallet. It's easy to open it. Very easy, right? It's funny, right? Because there is only me, and we can put make the box just like this. And for the final thing, final parts you need, you just pull the lid up. Like this. Done. It's really, really easy. I just show you our plastic sleeve box and make the sleeve up and put the sleeve on the pallet and put the lid on the boxes. There is a box, right? And we also can make the side wall with your logos, with your printing, whatever, and with your whatever your requirements. And also we can make a window put here, and on the lid and bottom we also can do the locks over here. And this lid is without the locks, because this is a full. This is okay to without the lid. And now you can see very easy to open it like this. If you make add the locks on the lid and the bottom, you cannot open the box like this is an easy way, right? Yeah, because they are locked, right? It is also no problem to load them in. It's really it's a heavy duty box, and there is empty, right? It's empty when the boxes are full and you stock the boxes one by one. There is no problem to handle me like this, right? The box's quality is really, really good. And the sleeve, we also have different GSMs option for use. You can choose 2006 Gs and 4,000 Gs. And for this one is I think this is the 3,001, and it can loading around 500 kilograms for the heavy duty box. We can do many different size, different plastic pallets, boxes as your requirements. If you can provide your requirements details, it's no problem.